creators, especially my African folktale family, I've got amazing news for you today. If you've ever tried generating images on Bing and got those annoying square results every single time, especially if you're using Bing on the web, guess what? Good news! Bing now supports landscape images. Not just that, you can now use both GPT-4o and DALL-E 3 to create your images. And the best part? It's completely free. That means no more cropped heads, no more awkward framing, no more resizing, no more inconsistency. If that sounds good to you, let's dive in and test it out. Before this update, Bing Image Creator was locked to 1:1 square ratio. But now, Microsoft quietly rolled out an update that supports wider aspect ratios, like 16:9 and 3:2, perfect for thumbnails, YouTube backgrounds, and cinematic scenes. And to make it even better, Bing now integrates GPT-4o, which means you can both generate and edit your images directly in chat. Before generating your images, always prepare your character description. This step is super important. You can get one randomly from ChatGPT or write one from your story. Personally, I prefer getting mine from an image reference, especially for my main character. For example, I uploaded an image in ChatGPT, asked it to describe it, and turned that description into a prompt for our lead character. Then, I told it to keep that character description in brackets in every scene where the character appears. That's how I built my base prompt for our lead character story. Here are the prompts. As you can see, my character description is in brackets before the action scene prompt. That makes things so much easier. But before you start generating, make sure to read every prompt carefully and confirm it follows Bing's content policy. Now, copy your first prompt and head over to Bing. Search for Bing Image Creator and sign in with your Google or Microsoft account. This is how the interface looks. Click on the drop-down arrow beneath the chat bar and select the model you want. Bing now has GPT-4o integrated, which allows image editing and customization, and of course, the regular DALL-E 3. In this tutorial, we'll test both models to see how they perform. You'll see options for aspect ratios, 1:1 for square, 3:2 for landscape, and 2:3 for portrait. For this tutorial, we'll go with 3:2 landscape. Now, let's test the first model, GPT-4o. I'll set the output to one image, paste in my base prompt, that's the character description, followed by the action scene prompt. You can paste them together, but make sure your character description stays in brackets. Then hit create. Let's wait a moment. And boom, the image is ready. It looks beautiful. But you might notice there's no direct download button. When you click the image, it only shows related results from the web. No worries, just right-click on the image and select Save Image As to download it to your desktop or device. Now, here's the magic part. GPT-4o lets you edit images directly, just like some premium tools out there. You'll see two options: Edit Prompt to adjust your text and regenerate the image, and Edit Image to modify the existing one. For this demo, I'll use Edit Image. Let's say I want our lead character to stand alone. I'll paste the same base prompt, the character description, and add standing alone outside. Then click Recreate. Wow! Now our lead character is standing alone. Same face, same outfit, same background, everything consistent. Just right-click again and select Save Image As to download it to your desktop or device. Now, let's switch to DALL-E 3 model and test it. I'll keep the same prompt, set the aspect ratio to 7:4 for landscape, paste my text, and hit Create. Bing accepts around 72 words per prompt, so keep it concise. Wow, look at that! Beautiful results again. This time, DALL-E 3 gave us 4 image outputs. You notice GPT-4o tends to look more photorealistic, while DALL-E 3 feels more artistic and painterly. Next, let's try editing one of these images. Since we generated it using DALL-E 3, would ideally use the same model. But notice, the edit option isn't available for DALL-E 3. No problem. You can still use GPT-4o to edit an image created by DALL-E 3. Just pick your image, describe what you want to change, and hit recreate. Look at that. Same character, same outfit, everything consistent again. Now, let's bring back the first image, the one where our lead character was standing with his family, and place all of them in a new scene. Select the image, set the aspect ratio, paste the next prompt, and hit recreate. Wow, it came out perfectly. The character looks consistent across every generation. Face, outfit, accessories, all the same. This is a huge win for storytellers and African folktale creators. Let's test one more. In this scene, the same character appears again. Same outfit, same energy, but I didn't like the two ladies' outfits, so I just added this line. Change the two ladies' outfits to vibrant Ankara dresses in bright, colorful patterns, each with a matching head tie. And boom, the new image came out amazing. The ladies now have stunning Ankara looks, while the main character and supporting cast stayed perfectly consistent. So yeah, Bing just got way more powerful for creators. And if you don't see the landscape option yet, try refreshing your Bing account. Microsoft is rolling out the update gradually, so it might take a little time to reach everyone. Now you can generate unlimited landscape images using GPT-4o or DALL-E 3, all for free. Did you get value from this video? Let me know in the comments. I'd really love to hear your thoughts. If this update made you smile or sparked an idea, give it a like and share it with another creator who might need it. There's so much more I'm cooking up, tools, updates, and creative gems you don't want to miss. Until next time, keep shining, keep creating, and keep growing. Thanks for watching.